Hey guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix SHEIN app won't let me log in. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue? Well, first things first is you first need to guarantee that you have a stable interconnection. Now, sometimes not having a stable interconnection can actually cause you issues on not being able to log in. So if you're using your mobile data, switch over to a Wi-Fi connection and see if that solves the issue. Now, a great method as well here is to open up any browser, just type in the following, which is going to be speed test here. And from here, you should be able to test your speed and see if your interconnection is the one causing this issue. So in this case, that's one of the ways for you to solve this one is by changing your network. Now, the other thing you need to do here is you also need to ensure that you're using the latest version of the app. So typically what you need to do is you need to go ahead, open up Google Play Store here, and you need to search for SHEIN. Now, if you see any update button next to SHEIN, make sure to click on it. As you can see right now on my screen, go ahead and click on the update button. And once the update is complete, you can go ahead and open up SHEIN and see if that solves the issue. And finally, if that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing you want to do here is you want to clear cache. So in this case, look for SHEIN, press and hold on it, click on app info. And from here, what we need to do is we need to choose the options as clear data at the bottom right. From here, click on clear cache, click on OK, and you're now good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.